Open PixArt application on your phone. Select the photo you want to edit. Choose the colors option from the bottom tools panel. Then click black and white and set amount to 0. When you're done, click eraser icon on the top, then start painting the background with pen tool near eraser. Set hardness to 94 or above and brush size according to your choice. When done, go to FX tab and click on B and W. You now add 2 white light PNG and adjust as shown in video. Now save the photo and open Lightroom Mobile. Go to Selective tab on bottom left corner. Now choose Gradient Filter. Go to Color, set temperature to -100 and adjust saturation. And add one more gradient filter. Set all value to 100. Now just play with it until your desired color is produced. I am happy with this, so I'm gonna save it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.